Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing 3 simple amazing recipes that are very tasty and easy to make. Juicing is a very simple way to add more nutrients to your body, improve your digestive health, and boost your immune system. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 of my amazing, easy to make recipes that you can make to stay healthy, hydrated, and improve your overall gut health. So let's dive right in. For my first recipe today, I'll be starting up with my simple green juice recipe. I have this juice before my breakfast every morning or as a quick way to energize my body during the day. It is hydrating, detoxifying, cleansing, and filled with amazing nutrients. So for this recipe, I'll be using 5 celery sticks, 1 large cucumber, half of a pineapple, 1 lemon, and about 2 inches of ginger or 2 thumb sizes of ginger. So I'm going ahead now to cut up all my ingredients. Depending on the juicer you'll be using, you might want to cut up your ingredients way smaller so they fit properly into your juicer and avoid clogging up your juicer. Here are all our ingredients nicely chopped and ready for juicing. So you're going to need a juicer for this recipe, and not all juicers are the same. I am using my Nama J2 juicer from Namawell. This juicer is cold pressed, which helps preserve nutrients and enzymes, flavors, and makes more juice from the same amount of ingredients than traditional high-speed juices. It is easy to clean, family friendly, and multifunctional. If you want to get one for yourself, click the link in the description bar and use my discount code Quincy10 at checkout to save 10% off your order. Go ahead now and put all your ingredients into your juicer and extract your juice. And not to mention, this juicer is also hand-free, which makes it time efficient. You can always juice while you prepare all your other ingredients. It is amazing. I highly recommend it. Click the link in the description bar to get yours and use my discount code Quincy10 at checkout to save 10% off your order. This juicer leaves 0 to no pulp, but I'm just going to pass this through a fine strainer just in case I had any bits and bobs that fell in while juicing. As you can see, this is amazing. Transfer this goodness into your pitcher, and I'll be using my mason jars, my 32-ounce mason jars from Amazon, which I've also linked that in my Amazon storefront in the description bar below. If you're new to juicing, this is an amazing recipe for you to start with. It is easy, delicious, hydrating, and it's just the perfect green juice recipe for someone starting off the juicing journey. So go ahead and try this today. So during the cold and flu season, I love to consume juices that support my immune system and improve my overall gut health. This juice is perfect to drink as a way to boost your immunity this cold and flu season. So for this recipe, I'll be using 2 red apples, 2 oranges, and about 5 carrots or more, as carrots are amazing. They're filled with beta carotene and they help improve skin and hair. And I'll also be using 1 thumb size of ginger. You can always increase the ginger if you like yours a bit spicy. I'm going to go ahead now and cut all my fruits into little tiny sizes that can fit into my juicer. Some people don't like to peel their citrus, they like to juice it whole with the peel. I like to peel mine as the skin can alter the taste of your juice. But you do whatever you prefer or whatever suits your board. I've washed all my ingredients thoroughly, but I don't like how these carrots look, so I'm going to go ahead and peel the back. But if your carrots, you've washed them and they look amazing, I'll highly recommend juicing them with the back on. But this, we're not just doing it for me. And chop this up into tiny pieces as well. So after preparing all your ingredients, that is peeled and chopped, go ahead and add everything into your juicer just like before and extract your juice. I have also linked my juicer in the description bar below. Be sure to check that out and use my discount code Quincy10 at checkout to save 10% off your order. This juice is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and it is a great way to boost the immune system. To stay healthy in this cold and flu season, it is also great for hair and skin. It promotes glowing skin. Beta carotene found in carrots are excellent for skin pigmentation and give you that glow that we all need. So go ahead and try this juice today. It is also detoxifying. The taste is amazing. So it is 100% kids friendly to boost their immune systems this season. And there you have it, your juice is ready. This can be enjoyed 2 to 3 times a day. So leave a comment in the comment section if you will be trying this recipe today or any of these recipes. I would love to hear from you. This is one of my personal favorites. It tastes amazing. It's loaded with vitamins, rich in nutrients. So be sure to give it a try today. My mason jars are also linked in the description on my Amazon storefront. Be sure to get yours today if you love them. They're amazing. They're easy to grab and go. Last recipe today, I'll be making this simple energizing beetroot juice. This juice is amazing to improve your stamina during a workout and keeps you energized and your energy levels high throughout the day. For this, I'll be using 1 lemon, 3 beetroot or 2 large beetroots if you have the large ones. I have the small ones, so I'll be using 3 of those. 1 inch of ginger and 1 pineapple. First, I am going to peel and cut up all my ingredients. This juice is rich in antioxidants. It also helps to improve digestion. It also improves your sport performance. Antioxidants in beet and ginger helps fight inflammation and improves overall immune function. This juice can affect the color of your urine or your feces. This is due to the natural pigment in the beet. The color changes in your urine are temporal and not a cause for concern. I'm peeling off the back of my beet as they look so not nice, and I'm using my little chopper as beets have a high color pigmentation and I don't want them going on my chopping board. After all your ingredients have been chopped, go ahead and transfer them. Add everything into your juicer and extract your juice just like before. This is my Nama J2 juicer from Nama Well. It's a cold press juicer which helps to preserve all the nutrients in your juice. It is kid friendly, it is easy to clean, and I have linked this in the description bar. Be sure to check that out and use my discount code Quincy10 at checkout to save 10% off your order. I'm using a fine strainer to extract any pulp in my juice. Though with the Nama juicer you are left with 0 to nothing pulp as your juices are practically smooth. You can see that beetroots are really hard and this is all the pulp that you can find in this juice. I highly recommend this juicer. And there we have it, our powerful, energizing, immune boosting digestive juice. And I'm using my mason jars from Amazon, and I have also linked them in my Amazon storefront in the description bar. Will you be trying any of these recipes at home? Leave a comment in the comment section on your favorite, as they're all delicious and they're all amazing. I hope all these recipes were helpful to help you kickstart your juicing journey, as the ingredients are so easy and simple and you can find them from any shop beside you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye.